Good morning. It's amazing in the morning on a sunny July when you find zucchini flowers in your garden. Of course, for my previous clips telling the difference between male and female zucchini flowers, they're all male today. I did leave some in the garden so that they can, with the help of bees, pollinate the female zucchini flowers. Aren't they just beautiful? There was a light rain in the middle of the night. I still will rinse these, but they are pretty clean right now from the light rain. And they're so delicate, but so delicious. I had a couple friends over recently, served them some zucchini flowers. I lightly floured them with an amazing batter, and they couldn't explain the taste. It's one of those things that if you can't grow zucchini flowers, find somebody that grows zucchini and see if you can grab their flowers, or fly all the way to Rome, and they will definitely do it in their restaurants during the summer months. Because again, you pretty much have to eat it the day of. You can, if you lightly wash them, keep them in the fridge after they're totally dry for a day or two. And some grocery stores in Rome sell zucchini flowers, but just like herbs, they don't last too long. And the faster you get to them, the better it is. This is like yellow gold. Well, gold is yellow. Yeah, it could be white too, but long story short, this is something that relaxes me during those hot summer mornings. And especially when you see your zucchini growing too, just makes you super ecstatic about the upcoming crop. Again, things that you can grow by yourself is cool, but if you can't, see if your farmer's market, hook up with somebody that sells zucchini and say, hey, next time I'm here, can you give me a bag of zucchini flowers? And they might actually do it for you. I honestly think so. Again, these are so amazing. I usually cut the stems, but when I go outside, I pinch right here and break it off. And that stem is really long, but it's super delicate. I'm going to utilize that as part of my Italian parsley and basil when I make the batter for these flowers later on for lunch today. Once again, this is super cool and super amazing, the wonders